Alright, what's up YouTube? I just want to show my quick hack on how I make my shoelaces last a little longer. So all you're going to need is a roll of duct tape, and you're going to want to rip out a few of these little tiny little cuts of duct tape. And basically what you do is the area in which your shoelace rips the most, like right there, what you're going to want to do is just wrap duct tape around that edge or the certain area in which the shoelace gets ripped the most. And you're gonna want to do it so it's nice and tight so it can go like right through the loop when you want to take it out or something like that. And I found that every time I do this, before and after my skate sessions, my shoes last way longer, shoelaces. So earlier today I skated and you can see the duct tape has been ripped a little bit. So I'm just going to apply a little more of the tape. That piece is a little too big. So rip that in half. And you can see I just get it right there. And I just wrap it. Wrap it in a little circle. And that's pretty much it. Shoelaces last much longer, they stop ripping, but you just got to keep on applying that duct tape in those areas. So I hope this helps you guys, and keep skating. Do your thing. Don't let shoelaces stop you from skating. And just like that, you see? We ready to skate another session. All right, peace.